Hello, and thank you for stopping by once again. If you are new to my channel, hola, my name is Aurea. I hope that you become part of my channel. And today I have some beautiful, easy Christmas DIYs. I hope you enjoy it. Sit back and relax. And if you're going to craft with me, bring out your hot gun. And let's go ahead and start with DIY number one. I've got this slate is in wood from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna paint it, all of it in white, front, back, middle, everywhere. And now that it is completely dry, I am going to choose one of these. So I chose the truck with the Christmas tree. But before I glue it on, I'm going to distress it with this acrylic red paint. Let's continue to embellish it. I have this red ribbon, making a bow and putting it right there above the little truck. This is going to turn out really pretty. I'm going to add some Christmas greenery along with, pine cones and berries. You could use whatever you have. This is the final look. Comment and let me know. Would you put some jute twine and hang it up on the wall? I'm going to use it on a tier tray. And let's go ahead and start with DIY number two. I have this floral wire. I say floral wire because I found it at the Dollar Tree in the floral section. I'm going to do a Christmas tree with these wooden beads. This is something that I saw at Hobby Lobby and I said, oh yeah, I can make this. And here is the final look. I hope you like it, and if you do, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And we will continue with our next DIY. I have these shadow boxes. I have these little wooden trees, Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree as well, and these pretty trees that I'm not gonna use. And I got these little stars with some ribbon. In this channel, anything can happen. I'll show you things and then later on I just don't use them, or I will add other different things. I should say different items. I'm going to paint this with acrylic white paint, and this I'm going to wrap with jute twine. Now that the tree is completely dry, we'll start assembling the shadow box. So I have this vinyl, it's adhesive, and of course it's made for the Cricut machine. I'm going to cut it to size, and so far this is the way it looks. If you guys are subscribed to my channel, you notice that I love working with these fairy lights. I think that when you put fairy lights on any different DIYs that you might be creating, I think it elevates it. And for those viewers that are not subscribed, I would love for you to be part of my channel. And also, don't forget to hit that notification button. Like that, YouTube will be able to notify you every time that I upload a video. Let me know in the comment section which of these DIYs was your favorite. And don't forget to share with your families and friends so like that they can also enjoy these DIYs. Stay safe, enjoy the rest of your week, and may the Lord bless you. Adios.